Right, I'm finishing up this unit, and what I've done is I took the other pieces, and they had these little foam protection pieces inside them, so I just moved them. I did not glue them here. I didn't see any need to do that. I just placed them on the edge where it's going to work well, and set this down in, and this fits, so it keeps the sides nice and tight. And this fits right up against the edge, so there's no movement there, and it's well protected on this corner. And the same thing I'll do over on this side. And then what I did was take this other little piece, and I'm going to put them on top to do for the closing of the top, and then taped it down. This isn't really making it solid, but it keeps it from moving very much. So in case there is any movement in the box of any sort, that shouldn't be a problem. They'll stay in place and they'll help protect the unit, which is really what we care about, is protecting the unit. I'll do the same thing on the other side, fill it up with peanuts, close it up, and ship it.